So Adobe surveyed 1,000 Americans about taxes and then provided them some tips. But the couple of the big numbers that came out of the survey, 20% of the respondents said they feel overwhelmed and stressed or completely lost when it comes to taxes. And then when asked about their stress level regarding the process of organizing and gathering their tax documents each year, 37% of the respondents said it was moderately stressful, followed by 29% who said it was very stressful. So Adobe came out with a bunch of tips that I don't think tax professionals are going to totally like to quote unquote help you organize your tax docs. So in general, over 50% of people on the respondents said getting my documents in order is kind of very stressful when it comes to the tax
Not just
process.
over, like if you add those together, that's like a huge that's like substantial.
Yes.
That is most
60%
most people are either like somewhat or really stressed about it, getting their taxes together. Okay, so what are the tips?
So here are the tips that Adobe's doing. Of course, number one tip is to convert your tax documents to PDFs because they're in the PDF business.
Wait, you mean I'm not supposed to send JPEGs to my tax guy?
Yes. And the second thing is they want you to merge all your related tax documents into a single PDF. So if you have a bunch of W-2s, put them all into one document.
I don't think that's actually, I think that's the opposite of what you're supposed to do.
Exactly.
My tax guy wants each document titled separate.
And then
somebody needs to fix this. This is bad. This is bad advice.
Rearrange PDFs for easier reading. So if you have multiple pages in the PDF document, rearrange them in a logical order. That's stressful. Like, how do you know what the logical order is? If you're just somebody trying to organize your tax documents, you don't know what it is. And then it tells you to create a folder on your system to keep your tax documents organized and label each folder with specific categories like income, expenses, deductions. I just don't know if, I would not see a tax firm put this blog post out. Like, here's some tips to get you ready for working with me as your accountant or your firm. Like, putting them all into one PDF seems silly to me. These are just really bad tips. And arguably, these tips are more stressful than not having these tips. I don't know if that's what I'm going to say.